If you're a person who loves tech, but needs to wrangle all of those thingamabobs and whatchamacallits that you got to carry along with you, like cables and, just stuff like that, I might have something for you. Let me go get it. So this is the BUBM cable organizer that I got off of Amazon. It's a great little organizer, and it's 2 layers. It's actually pretty large if I hold it up to my head, which most of my, like my wife will tell me that my head is too big. This cable organizer is pretty big until you turn it sideways. And then it's actually pretty thin, which is why I bought it. I bought it so that it would slide really easily into that front pocket of my carry-on or into the front section of my camera bag. And it allows me to keep all of those cables and extra things that I need to carry with me in one place, well organized, where I can get to it very, very quickly. I think this might be for you. What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Anthony, and this is a review, #not sponsored, of a cable organizer that I think you guys will really enjoy. So let's get into it just really quickly. All right, now this organizer has 2 layers to it. So if you look at it, it has 2 zippers, and the overall manufacturing and feel of this, the zippers and everything, feel pretty good. So it feels like it's gonna last probably a pretty good long time. Let me go ahead and open it up. And you guys can see that in this compartment, I have my wireless access point that I travel with all the time, just so that I can use as many devices in the hotel room as I want. It connects directly. If there's an Ethernet port in the hotel room, I can connect directly to that. And it gives me a firewall between my devices and the rest of the hotel. Of course, I have the power supply for my MacBook Pro, obviously an essential. This, by the way, is the strap that comes with the case. I pretty much don't need that. And then over here on this in this side pouch, there's room for your tablet. So it's really handy if I just want to take that so that I can watch stuff on the plane. Really, really helpful there, and it just eliminates one more case. Okay, if I zip that back up and then go to the bottom section, this is where all the cable organization is. So you can see I have straps as well as these netted pockets down here. The netted pockets really do kind of help hold things in a little bit. So really appreciative of that feature. Now, of course, standard elastic straps here to hold in, all the different, like I said, whatchamacallits and thingamabobs. So plenty to carry all the stuff that I need on a regular basis. And then it has this little pouch down here, this netted pouch for all the little things. So this is where I have little adapters, my Samsung T5, which, by the way, if you guys edit any video and you don't have one of these, or if you just need to store files and carry them with you in a very small form factor, this is the 500 gigabyte version. It also comes in a 1 terabyte. It is super, super fast. I can actually edit video directly on this without having to copy it to my MacBook Pro. Then, of course, an SD card reader so that I can get things off of my camera, and then, other little doobobs and things that I might need. Now, this for $15.99 to me was a great solution for keeping all of my cables and everything together. I also like the orange. The orange inside makes it easy to find things. The orange outside makes it easy to not forget. If you travel a lot, it's very easy to forget things like this in your hotel room. And you really don't want to lose something like this in your hotel room when you're traveling. Now, yes, I agree that this cable organizer is kind of big, but it holds everything I need. It's very organized. The orange color makes everything stand out, so it's so easy to find. If you like this cable organizer, I've put the link to Amazon down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and pick one up for yourself. They're only $15.99 US, so it makes it very, very reasonable. And like I said, the build quality seems to be pretty good. So I would definitely recommend this cable organizer, having used it for about 3 or 4 trips now. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you'd like to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure you're notified when I post new videos. Of course, if you have a cable organizer that you like of yours that you like the best, go ahead and put that in the comments. Let everybody else know of the other cable organizers out there that everybody really likes. Also, you guys have an idea of what I should do about these? Yeah, go ahead and let me know about that too. Anyway, let's crush this thing. See ya. All right, so this is the BUBM. So this is the BUBM cable organizer. Yeah, cut that.